Hi, everyone. My name is Tim Daly, and today I'm excited to share and present my project, the Basic Java program. This is a simple yet interactive drawing application built using Java FX. It includes core drawing tools, file operation, and educational features such as a tracing pad, drawing lessons, and a video player. Let's dive into my code and explore it. The project overview that the basic paint program is designed to be a user-friendly drawing tool with additional educational elements. The main program includes drawing tools, fresh hand brushing tool, eraser tool, shape drawing like rectangle, circle, or line drawing, color selection, and brush size adjustment. Also, the program includes the lesson panel and video player. So let's dive into our code to explore the code overview. First, let's take a quick look at the project structure. So as you see it, the main program is saved in the basic paint program or whatever you want to name your project. In that case, you have to create src main java com example and paint 6 folder inside the basic program. In the 6 folder, they supposed to include into each other. For example, first src, inside src main, inside main java, inside java com, inside com example, etc. Then all your java files must be in the paint. So for main class, basic paint program java. For the core drawing function, paint panel java. For tracing panel, java, which is tracing pad feature. The drawing lesson will be the lessons panel.java. And the embed video player, the video player panel.java. Handles file operation, which will be in file handler.java. For the video and the background PNG or image like unit for the assessed folder, you have to put it inside src main resources. So the tracing background PNG will be the background image for tracing, and the sample video or more than one video, you can make it for video educational purposes. The pom.xml will be inside your paint program, which will be Maven build configuration, and README file already will be in your main directory for the project documentation. Okay, for this program, you need the dependencies. The project uses following dependencies in Maven, pom.xml. So sometimes you cannot download the pom.xml, so you have to create your dependencies. Here, if you use the iText7 will be better, but unfortunately I couldn't get it, so I used the iText5 just to be able to demonstrate how it will save your files. Also, you are using the Java dependencies. In this case, I use Java 11, the Java FX 11, the version 11. So to run on the application, to build and run the instruction, that you need to open the panel, and then you have to change directory to your program, and then set up the Java 11 environment, which is set Java home and set Java the path. Also, you need to check the Maven is properly set up, which is MVN version. So once it's done, you have to build the project. That code, you have to run it if you change anything in the code that it needs to upload. So you have to run MVN clean install, and then you wait for the execution. Then once it's done, you have to create the program to run. So MVN Java FX run, which will make your program run. Or you can run the compile jar file, which is jar dash java space dash jar target basic program paint dash 1.0 snapshot dot jar. In this case, this is my file. So here, as you see, the basic program Java, this is the main class that initialize the application and set up the user interface. So the second one will be the file handler Java, which manage the file operation like saving and opening image. In the third one, the lesson panel Java. Here that you can create your lesson as desired, as you can put it as a set text under the drawing lessons. That you can put hundreds of lines, thousands of lines if you want your user to be able to read the instruction and the lessons, how to draw, how to make. So for me, I just created a sample to be able to demonstrate how the program is working. For the paint panel Java that handles the drawing logic, including brush strokes, shapes, and color selection, as we talked about it a while ago. So here that you can create your like paint panel provides the drawing area features, freehand drawing like a brush, eraser tool. After you draw something wrong, you can erase it, the shapes, color selection, and file operations. In the tracing path panel, here you can get the tracing panel which you need to trace, like implements the tracing feature, allowing users to draw over a background image. So background image, you can make anything you want. For me, I make a tracing line that you will be able to see it later. And here the final one, the video player panel, which handles the video. In this case, after your code in the future, if you want to change anything, you just need to add the private void initialize video list so that you can add or remove videos as you desire. Add many lessons, add few lessons. In this case, I added only few, like 3 to 4 videos, 5 videos. Be able to see if the code work properly. So here, as I said, you have to open the terminal. In the terminal, you need to go to your directory, typing cd, change directory. In this case, I already set it up. For the program run, mvn java fx run, you have to type and hit enter and just wait for the program to execute. For me, because my computer is old already, it takes a while to execute. So as you see, the Java FX Maven plugin, the dependencies that which is handling the program. Before I forget also, if you cannot download the pom.xml, which will be responsible for Maven, that you have to create this. As you see, that you need to create your code for the XML. So for me, I search and check the older version that I can use the pom.xml. Like just get some codes from the open source like a Stack Overflow and GitHub. Here, the Maven compiler source will be version 11, which is that I set up JavaFX version 11. And the iText PDF will be the fifth version, version 5.5.13.4, which is you have to download the jar file to be able to get the iText PDF library. So yeah, so since our program has started, it will open a new window in Java, the Java language. So as you see that I have here a basic paint program, which includes the paint, tracing path, lessons, videos. So in the paint, you have brush, which you can draw. You have eraser, which you can erase. You have the rectangle, which it will draw for you a rectangle as you make it. You have circle, just click and then go on the side as you desire. And you have line. Also, you can change the color here. You can choose as many color as you want the setup. So for example, you want red, just click OK, then your lines goes into red. So yeah, here also you can change your brush size as you see it's big and then it's as you see it's erased properly and everything goes smooth. So here the tracing path. This is what we are talking about the background image. For me, I just put this to be able to make, for example, letter A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, etc. In this case, also you can change the brush size to thicker, to thinner as you desire. Also, you can add a simple coloring image that so you can color and change the look as you desire. See, as you can see, I can change the color and everything, and you can clear and you can draw again A, B, C. And then you have the save option here to be able to save your work, and you can change your save in wherever you want. Just type your name, the name of the file, and click save. As you see the success, the file saved successfully. Click OK and you can continue. Here, the lesson that we talk about, you can add the lesson like a start the simple shapes, practice drawing basic shapes like circles, square, and triangles. Also, you can make coloring or etc. You as you desire. And here the videos, which is the handles the sample videos that you want to add for the user to be able to see. For me, I just downloaded the Microsoft Paint program as I didn't create yet the video for my program that you can use it here. Or you can add any other video or something to be able to make users to see that you can name the video lesson 2, lesson 3. So for me, I just added the samples or just any video that it will show. So yeah, was my paint program, basic paint program. Hope you enjoyed it.